Hi everyone, my name is DBarlage, and welcome to you to another semester. I'll be your instructor for the course. A little bit about me. I do have a undergraduate degree from Western Michigan University, and my master's is from Eastern Michigan University. I currently reside in Michigan, so I'm on Eastern Standard Time. Just want to say hi, introduce myself so you know who I am. Feel free to reach out and contact me. I do have my office hours posted as well as my phone number, so I'm easy to get a hold of. I'd just like to start by saying, hey, please look at our syllabus, get familiar with that. All the assignments are in the course calendar, get familiar with that, as well as the due dates and the late policy. I am here to help, so reach out. Any questions on any assignments, feel free to email me or give me a phone call and we'll work through it. Good luck, and I wish you all success this semester. Thanks, and have a great term.